तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, I am at the National Stadium Karachi. This is me, Hyder Ali Khan, and you can see behind me the working is going on, the renovation is going on. I am at the National Stadium Karachi. You can also see the white Teflon sheets. The roof is filled by the white Teflon sheets, and this is a very good material, and all the things are going pretty well. And I will show you one more thing. The cranes and tractors, the machineries, big machineries, working on the biggest screen to make the things better this time. And yeah, this is how it is. This is how it looks like, the renovation, working and construction. You can see the beautiful, well maintained, well organized. Things are going pretty well. The roof is filled by this beautiful material known as Teflon, and workers working their socks off day and night.